Hey, it's Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com, also representing B2 Audio and B2 Audio USA, and I'm excited about this unboxing. This is the REFSQ63. Why am I excited? This is the top of the top of the top, and I'm just gonna jump right into it. Hit that like button, leave a comment, share this out. Okay, I'm jumping in this. It's $700.
I'm sorry, what?
Yeah, okay, and I'm about to show you why. And blew my mind. Before they were even here, they pre-ordered. And it blew my mind how many people recognize what this is and put that money into it. This is not your everyday stuff. This is for some real people that, I don't even know, like, you want real sound. I mean, this is high-end stuff. All right, let's look at this first. Beautiful box. Look at that. All the new B2 stuff has been coming packaged incredibly. This is a 3-way 6-inch set. So you have a woofer, a 3-inch mid-range, and a really crazy ceramic tweeter that I
have no words.
There's just a huge sound difference in titanium, soft dome, ceramic. You got to hear it to understand it. When you want to hear sound, and I mean hear sound, like just the way it was recorded and intended, this is what you're talking about right here. Now, does this mean that guys aren't going to put this in some bass setups? I've already had a guy that's doing whole A-pillar with this, and then the 6s and the doors. I don't know. It's
get creative.
Definitely something I put in one of my personal vehicles. All right, so $699. Let's talk about this. You have a 70-watt RMS woofer, mid-bass woofer. 70 watts. Why? It's efficient. You don't need much power. That is 4 ohms with a 1.4-inch voice coil. Then it has a 3-inch full range mid-range, which sounds incredible. 30 watts RMS, 4 ohm with a neo magnet. And then finally wrap it up with a 1-inch ceramic dome tweeter, which is 3 ohms, 25 watts RMS, and a beautiful, beautiful passive crossover. All right, we're gonna get into this. White gloves, because that's what it is. This is like when you buy a BMW, if any of y'all bought a brand new one, they send out, I think they call it the experts or something, and they go around your car with white gloves and touch everything before you get it. That's what you get in quality. All right, so let's break out a couple things. So in this kit, we have this passive crossover. Now, it's not too big, but you will need to mount this. This will bring it all together at 4 ohms. Okay, so beautiful piece. And I'll do some close-ups on all this shortly. But on here, 2-way passive crossover, Linkwitz Riley 4th order, acoustic optimization. You have a, let's see here, mid-bass input, full input, mid bass out, full out. Okay, and then looks like a switch for a biamp, and then for the tweeter you can do 0 dB to 2 dB. All right, in here, gold plated screws. Yes, top of the top. Okay, let's get into this tweeter first, because this is what really brings us all together. This is a ceramic tweeter, and if you notice on the back, and I'm gonna do close-ups on all this in a second, everything is gold plated on here. Okay, now mount wise, you can either flush mount that, or they have like a pillar mount or a dash mount. Really cool. All right, then we pop this thing out. Again, gold plated. Reference SQ 3.5, carbon fiber, dust cap and cone, gold plated motor structure. This thing is incredible. I didn't understand it till I actually got it, okay? Now, we crack this baby open. This is just a work of art. Okay, full carbon fiber, gold-plated motor, gold-plated screws. I mean, this is also why it's $699.95. This is just an incredible sounding 6-inch driver. Beautiful. This whole thing is just beautiful. I keep saying that because very rarely do I relate car audio with beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna put these pieces out, all right? And this is a set. Then I'm gonna get the Big Jeff cam, and we're gonna look at this close up. So let's activate the Big Jeff cam.
Big Jeff cam.
All right, so first thing is the two-way passive crossover. All right, and I can pull this off, don't need to. This will bring everything together, and you have a switch in there. Bring this all together to 4 ohm. Then you have a bag of gold-plated mounting screws. All right, look at this. Now, I've never seen a tweeter like this before. Gold-plated terminals, gold-plated screws, and this is a ceramic tweeter, which I don't know if you've all ever really heard of soft dome. It's like a soft dome times 100. Okay, look at this 3.5-inch driver. It is beautiful. Like, I'd want to display this. Now, you have this honeycomb grill. That's metal, carbon fiber, everything. This is efficient, and why you only need 70 watts, 30 watts, and 25 watts. And then look at this driver. Even the coil is vented. Look at that. And pure copper. You don't see that in specialty component sets. Look at this thing. This is just a beautiful set. So you get 2 times this. Now, pillar door or kick panel or what, but I've already had some guys purchase multiple sets at this price and told me they're running this in the door, they're running these in the pillars. Just incredible. So I'm not even going to hook this up for you to hear it, because there's no way you can hear this and the quality over a video when you're listening to it on regular speakers. This is $699.95 for the set. Beautiful package with the white gloves. And if you're looking about just incredible sound, now this could also be done up in a desktop type speaker or a home speaker. This is the quality of the stuff. And this is what B2 Audio is about. If you really think about it, I've seen a lot of 3-way sets out there in the $600-700 range that doesn't even come close to this. It doesn't even come close to this. This is a beautiful set. So I'm not even gonna hook this up because there's no way to hear that quality. I could just tell you that hands down, it sounds incredible. I've heard it. And there's people out there that are aware of what a ceramic tweeter sounds like. And it's just beautiful. I wish you could display this in an install, and I'm sure somebody will, plexiglass or whatever. But going down actually having gold-plated mounting screws tells you how much is really into this. Just the cone, the carbon fiber, everything is just beautiful. Okay, so these are in stock. It's new. It's a part of the reference series. We also have a reference 4 amplifier, which is an AB amp, which we've already done dynoing on, and it was incredible. But that's the type of amp you want to put with stuff like this, 100%. So check it out at b2audiousa.com or bigjeffaudio.com. And if you want to step up your game or get into, and you're one of those really acoustic type people, either for home or car, this is the way to go. Beautiful crossover network, beautiful ceramic tweeter, incredible 3-inch mid-range. It's not even about the mid-bass or the mid-range or the sound. It's just the overall quality of putting these items together and then taking the best of the best down to this thing being fully gold-plated. Hey, listen, man, this is one of those where I'm not even energetic. I'm just like, wow, this goes to another level with B2 Audio. And you want to get a set, you want to step up your game, check it out. They're in stock right now. We have more coming. I didn't even know they were going to sell that quick, but people know what they want. Hey, leave that comment and let us know what you think. Let us know if you ever heard something like this, seen something like this. And definitely not doing a giveaway on this one, but we always do giveaways. Keep checking out the videos, keep sharing it out. Thank you. I'm Big Jeff from bigjeffaudio.com with another video.